The economic impact is going to be seen throughout the org, like we talked about a little bit better. Everything from customer retention, contract renewals, things of that nature, to driver turnover, driver impact on the road, and things of that nature. The savings, the easiest to measure is year over year maintenance costs, right? Can I reduce my maintenance cost per mile from 53 cents? I want to get it down to 51 cents, something like that, right? Is there a number that you can do to reduce the overall cost? And you do that by not having the unplanned breakdowns, right? Or the unplanned maintenance and things like that are a shocker. Hey, this was just in the shop last week and now it's back in again. Why? What did we miss, right? And so if we can help eliminate that, then the economic impact is going to be great. We see customers with anywhere from 10x, ROI to one of our largest customers, experiences is about $3,000 a year per truck in savings. And they add up all that stuff. They add up the holistic soft ROI is where I would call it, which is customer impact, renewals on business and things like that. They take all that into account by saying, hey, if I don't break down, I have a 100% chance of renewing this contract next year because I'm going to continue to deliver.